how to modify chat themes and backgrounds in Google Chat. For this, go ahead and install your Google Chat application. You can easily find this in your Play Store or App Store. Search for Google Chat. Then tap on the Google Chat suggestion. Tap on Update if there is an update. If not, simply go ahead and tap on Install. Now once it is installed, go ahead and open your Google Chat. To modify your chat themes, tap on the hamburger icon and head to the setting option. From here, you will see the option of theme. So go ahead and tap on it. You will find 3 of the theme option, that is light, and this is how it's gonna look. Or you can even select dark, or you can select the system or by default. Now it is up to your system settings. Now once it is done, you'll be able to modify your chat themes and backgrounds. To modify your background or themes from your PC, all you have to do is open your Google Chat in your browser. At the top, you will see the setting gear option. Tap on it and scroll down to the very bottom where you will find the theme option. And you can just go ahead and select accordingly. So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.